brothers my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cody's brothers my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta roll.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with some hair from Victoriawig, actually a new wig from Victoriawig. This is the box. I'm about to do something exciting with this wig today. I want to do some color. So this is what I see when I open the box, and inside the cover says "Because You Matter," and I think that's really nice of them to say. I got this really nice drawstring bag. I really like, you know, the little design. So I got this little mesh pouch, and I think this is really, you know, cute. Inside it has, ooh, like a headscarf thingy that you can, you know, kind of secure your lace with and stuff. And it says Victoriawigs. Like a nice little ribbon thing you can tie around your edges. So this is very convenient. Thank you, Victoriawig. Then we have a comb. You know, I always love getting these combs. They're very handy, especially when laying your front off. One of these edges brushes. You know, when you want to form your edges and stuff. I got a brush. I got this like fudge stick thingy to help to, you know, spread out. If I guess if you're using glue or something like that, this can help. Ooh, and they sent a tweezer. I'm too excited for this. Like, oh my gosh, they sent me a tweezer. Oh my god. So that's really, it's really nice that they sent this. We got a little booklet here with further information about the company. And I got two things here with wig caps. You can never have too much wig caps. So that's for everything that came in the box. Okay, so here we go. So this is the wig that I have today. So this is a silky straight wig. This is 22 inches long. How full this is. I'm going to put the specific name of it down below. It's HD lace, by the way. A couple of the others that I've done so far are HD lace as well, and I must tell you, this melts so much better in the skin. I really love it. So, you know, it's really nice. Really nice. This is how it looks. You know, everything is the knots are bleached and stuff. And we got combs in there to secure it and stuff. We got adjustable straps in the back. And as usual, I know this is going to slip me. So I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to bleach this hair, guys. I'm going to bleach this hair. I even got more adjustable stuff in the box if I want to, you know, like make the wig tighter. Okay, so today I want to color this hair, as I said to you guys. But the thing is, I'm not sure which color I want to put it in as yet. I really don't know what color I want to put it in. So this is gonna be interesting. I kind of want to freestyle this and see what comes up. But the first part, which, you know, takes a little time, is the bleaching portion. So let's jump into that. Here are my tools that I'm going to be using for this portion. Of course, you know, you need your foil paper. So I've already torn off the strips. Need your mixing bowl and an applicator brush, gloves. I have my developer from Clairol, and I have basic white. So I'm just gonna get started with mixing.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regrets. chance. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never want to look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never want to look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance.
This is how the hair looks after I bleach it, guys, and I'm pretty content with the color it got. I was kind of scared to make it go any lighter because I really don't want to damage the hair, but the hair took the color very nicely. So I'm gonna proceed to just coloring it. We don't want to just keep it one dimensional all the time. It's just blah 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 blah. Me myself get tired of that. I have 4 bottles of color here. I'm gonna be mixing them. These are Adore hair colors. I have Jade, Sweet, and Sweet Mint. So 2 Jade, 2 Sweet Mint. I really think I'm gonna put the bluish color first, like at the top portion, and then put Sweet Mint to the end. So hopefully this looks good. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this looks good. Ooh. Okay. I don't want this to come out too dark, but we're gonna see. Let me put on my gloves.
Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I never wanna say. I stand my ground. I need to be who I'm meant to be. Yeah, I don't see it any other way. I know I gotta keep the faith. I never want to look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. You're my boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance.
I decided that instead of to go back over the entire wig to apply the Sweet Mint, I'm going to do it in a different bowl with a different brush, so everything can kind of get going.
A chance on faith. To take a chance. Take a chance on faith. To take a chance. I never want to look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. To take a chance. Take a chance on faith. I never want to look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays.
So this is the hair. I'm pretty excited to go ahead and style it. So as you can see, it has like highlights and lowlights, and I really like the blend. The J didn't come out as prominent as I thought it would, but this reminds me like of money. That's exactly the vibes that I'm getting from this. I'm gonna give this like some nice curls. I kind of did a middle part, and you know, kind of just laid everything really flat. So I'm just gonna pretty much go through this portion. As you can see, it is HD lace, and I've been loving the HD lace because if you guys know, you get invisible vibes with HD or transparent lace. You guys know I've finessed regular lace for a long time and I still wear it. I really don't care, but I really love these kind of lace as well. So as I said, I'm just gonna go through the hair and start winding it up. I'm gonna kind of speed through this portion.
When we say I never want to look back and wish I could have been, I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take chance on faith. You're mine to blow this place. So take a chance, take a chance. A chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I never wanna say. I stand my ground. I need to be who I'm meant to be. Yeah, I don't see it any other way. I know I gotta keep the faith. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. You're mine to blow this place. So take a chance.
So guys, I'm all glammed. Read. Look at me. Guys, if you want to see this glam, then you need to go ahead and check out my IG. That's where the mini tutorial is at. I know that some of you guys been saying that, so put the makeup on YouTube. Please do it like how you used to do it. But I'm not gonna even, like, I need to know that you guys are gonna watch it. Like, I don't see the point of putting it if so many people that are asking for it are not watching it. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Cause yeah, but the mini tutorial on this is on my Instagram right now. My Instagram name is here on the screen. It's either here or here. So go ahead, check it out. I'm about to unravel all this goodness. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, once I do color, super excited. I'm just gonna unravel this goodness.
A chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
So with pulling out, with unraveling these curls, I'm being sure to be gentle with it because I don't want to go crazy and then it freezes. You see that? And this is straight hair. This is straight hair. I'm very excited about this, guys. Very, very excited.
I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith.
That is gorgeous. It's the first time I'm trying a color like this. I remember years ago I said I was doing green hair. That's when it was trending on Kylie Jenner and stuff. But I only streaked it. That time I was doing freelancing like a lot. Freelance makeup artistry, that is. And I remember doing something similar to this, but it wasn't as bold as this. This though, it's pretty. Definitely appropriate for the season if you are in the Caribbean. If you're from the Caribbean, you know what time it is. It's carnival season and it's lit. Like, it's time to just be colorful and happy, and despite all the madness that's going on, like, honestly, it's so sad. Like, my heart literally just breaks, like, for all the people that lost their lives, and for all the family members that are grieving, for all the people who are suffering from this awful virus, and just in general, like, you just have to be so grateful. You have to be so grateful, not to dull the vibes or anything, but like, tomorrow is never promised to anybody. The next minute is not promised to anyone, and it's just important that you make the best of today and the very moment that you're living in, and be happy with yourself, be grateful, just always be grateful and give good vibes. Okay, so yeah. I'm going to be sure to list the specific link on this wig down below in the description box, because it's lit. It's lit. It's so pretty. I love this. This is it. This is gorgeous. I love the waves that I decided to give it. Like, it's everything. Also, I'm getting there. I'm taking baby steps. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be dibbling and dabbling more into that bolder side soon of doing the color right from the roots. Not that I've never done it before, but it's not something that I always do, because I just feel like, oh my gosh, like bam, color. Like, I like the little graduation. It made me ease into things a little better, and it not really look too harsh and such. But like, check this company out. I really love how the hair took the color, how it bleached, all of that. That's pretty much it. As I said, go ahead and check out my Instagram for this makeup look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys next time.